Rainy day is always a fun time for the kids if it is celebrated in the school. Moreover, it makes the school environment light and mesmerizing for the tiny tots. To celebrate the first showers of monsoon, the pre-primary students of Saint Soldier Divine Public School REC came all armed in their raincoats and umbrellas to enjoy in the rain. The students of junior KG were brought out in the open by their teachers with umbrellas and raincoats to enjoy the playful rainy weather. Artificial rain was created to give good effects to the celebration. The kids really had a festivity time with their friends and teachers. This rainy day was full of fun and frolic.